And we have some breaking news coming in. PDP chief and ex-Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Mehbooba Mufti has written to Election Commission asking to prevent what she claims is repetition of 1987 election rigging and also state-sponsored intimidation in Srinagar Lok Sabha constituency, which is all set to go to polls tomorrow, which is the fourth phase of Lok Sabha elections. Let's listen in to what she said.
पीडीपी के वर्करों को टारगेट किया जा रहा है। अभी तक जितने भी लोग पकड़े गए, चाहे वो बड़गाम खान साहब में हो, चाहे वो सारी शरीफ में हो, चाहे वो पुलवामा डिस्ट्रिक्ट में हो, शोपियान डिस्ट्रिक्ट में हो, सिलेक्टिवली पीडीपी के वर्कर्स को बंद किया जा रहा है। सिलेक्टिवली उनको तंग किया जा रहा है, हरासा किया जा रहा है, धमकियां दी जा रही है। हर जगह पीडीपी को टारगेट बनाया जा रहा है।
And CNN News 18's Ishan Wani is now joining us on this story. Ishan, some very serious claims coming in from Mehbooba Mufti, who's saying that selectively PDP workers are being targeted in the valley.
Absolutely right. In this regard, she has already written to Chief Election Commissioner saying that her party workers are being targeted a day before Srinagar Lok Sabha seat goes polls. This is an allegation that has been also repeated by the candidate for Srinagar Lok Sabha seat of the PDP, Wahid Rahman Farah, saying that there are officers in the system who are calling, claiming that they are calling police to wind up the PDP workers. It is interesting to see that how police responds to these allegations. Now, this is a direct attack on the police and the administration. The charge has been leveled by the PDP that there is an attempt being made from people within the government or within the system to impose a boycott while people want to come out and vote. That is the charge that is coming in from the PDP. Now, it's not just PDP. There is National Conference is also making claim that in some areas of Badgam district, which falls in the Srinagar Lok Sabha constituency, some of its workers have also been rounded up. Similarly, it's Apni party also have also claimed that their workers are being harassed, targeted, and being detained. How much does it hold true? That's for the police to answer. But PDP is making serious charges, holding press conferences, and writing letter to the CEC about the issue that they are facing. And why is there a talk of 1987? Because in the 1987 elections took place, which are believed to be by and large rigged polls, and that resulted in the situation worsening in Jammu and Kashmir and later on eruption of militancy. And that is why Mehbooba Mufti is saying that it seems like a repeat of 1987 and claiming that this would trigger a massive controversy and something which she fears would be worse for Jammu and Kashmir. But, one has to wait and see that how does the administration and the police respond to these charges. Now, is there a direct involvement and the charge that is being made by the PDP on the police and administration that they are trying to impose what they call a poll boycott while the people want to come out and vote. One has to wait and see the police's response on this particular charge that they are leveling against them. But yes, tomorrow Srinagar Lok Sabha seat is going to polls. There are a number of candidates who are contesting, and the three parties have come out and tweeted and held press conferences that their party workers are being harassed and targeted.
All right, Ishan, thank you so much for getting us all those details.